Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So in this video I'll show you the full operation of changing the wallpaper, and I will also discuss different options that you can find here along with the AI generated wallpapers. So let's begin with opening the settings. Here let's scroll and find the option customization. And right here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. So to open more wallpapers we have to simply tap on this option here. And as you can see here we've got different sections from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got the current option, which is right now applied, my photos, the photos from your own gallery. Here we've got Wallpaper Studio, so here we've got those which were generated before. And here we can also create the wallpaper. And here we've got pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. So here we've got the Nothing phone. We can tap on more and we will check more available options. As you can see, the list is quite long, so we've got plenty of options to choose from. Moreover, here we've got the colors, so if you prefer to have a solid color applied, or actually gradient as in this case, you can apply it. So first of all, let me show you how to apply a regular standard wallpaper, the static one, and after that I'll come back to this AI generated wallpapers. So let me choose maybe this option, so just tap on it, and here we can choose the option pinch to crop. Obviously it will work better on different... Oh, so it's actually not a gradient, it's because of those options. Sorry, my bad. So obviously it will work better with different wallpapers with some kind of objects, but you can basically zoom it in or out. Let me show it on here. So this is how it works. Here we've got also the option scrolling. So basically this option allows you to either scroll the wallpaper whenever you will scroll through the home pages, or simply keep it static. So it's of course up to you. You can either turn it on or off. I think I will keep this option off. And to confirm everything, to apply the wallpaper, simply tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. Now we can decide where we want to set the wallpaper, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. Basically you have to tap on the option and kind of highlight it to set the wallpaper on it. Here we've got also two additional options like atmosphere and glass. So after choosing the atmosphere, you can see that on the home screen we've got this blur effect. It is also kind of zoomed in, so I believe that there is a smooth transition between the lock screen and the home screen when you're unlocking it. And we can also use the glass option. I'm not sure if you can see it, but basically here we've got those kind of, you know, glass strips, something like that. So it's up to you. So if you'd like to apply the wallpaper, simply tap on done in the right upper corner and now wait until this operation will be finished. And as you can see, we've got this wallpaper applied. However, let me go back to more wallpapers because I will explain Wallpaper Studio. And in this device, this option is quite easy to use and it's quite intuitive. However, it has some kind of limited options. So let's simply tap on Create. And as you can see, right now we've got the screen divided into two different sections. So at the top, we've got the main theme. So here we've got the sky, terrain, still life, iridescence, flora. We can all... Sorry, that wasn't what I wanted to do, because I wanted to explain the second section where we've got the effects. So we can generate everything in black and white, as a photograph, as painting, graphic, ink, or modernist. So this is how it works. It's kind of nice, I would say. I think I'll pick maybe modernist and maybe iridescence. Let's check what will happen. So you can either tap on this plus icon here or tap on Create Wallpaper and now simply wait. Fortunately, it is not a long process. It will be generated in a second. So I'm not the biggest fan of the result. Here you've got the option to recreate, or you can simply tap on Surprise Me and then your device will kind of automatically choose the option the options that it wants to show to you. So as you can see, in my case, it is something like that, and let's set it as a wallpaper. So just tap on set as wallpaper. And again, we've got this pinch to crop. We can change the scrolling, whether we want to turn it on or off, and tap on the tick icon to confirm. I'm not sure whether I want this atmosphere option. I'm not the biggest fan of the glass one too, so just let me leave it like this and tap on done. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.